Do you feel tired and stressed? Are you looking for best Hajj and Umrah software ever? Save up to 70% of your time, money and effort. Virgo Offline is here with you 24 hours and 7 days to facilitate the process of issuing Hajj and Umrah visas. Just few clicks, and Virgo Offline will make it simpler, faster and more accurate. First, reads your passport images and processes them automatically. Then modify, organize and manage your groups and packages offline without losing or wasting any time. One click and Virgo Offline will send all pilgrims' details to Hajj automatically. Then activate and print the electronic visas to all pilgrims. Finally, one click will print bracelets and ID cards for all pilgrims, and all reports and printed editions related to the work. Why Virgo Offline? Let's see. Virgo Technical Support Team will be your team 24 hours and 7 days to premium assistance regarding all work steps and dealing with the electronic path of Hajj. We have sufficient experience over 17 years. Virgo was founded in 2002 and established a large customer base, and we were able to reach approximately 1,200 companies around the world with extracting of about 12 million visas. Use our experience to make your ideas become a reality and make your company grow with our help. Enjoy the time and effort involved in Hajj visas processing, and don't waste your time. Download your own version now by following this link. Follow and contact us on virgo-sy.com. Thank you, and have a beautiful day with Virgo.